Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can perform the hard reset of your Anker Soundcore P3i earbuds. So, to perform this reset, first of all you have to remember to charge your earbuds and the charging case for like 20 minutes. Input both earbuds inside this charging case and take a look. Right now we have to rotate these headphones and click and hold this button at the bottom of the charging case. We have to click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking red. It will blink 3 times. So let's do this right now. Click and hold it and keep that case open. Right now it is blinking quickly white. It's in the pairing mode, but we have to hold more. And there it is. Right now release. And we successfully performed the hard reset of our Anker Soundcore P3i. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.